Okay guys, we are back here at South Texas Votech in the city of Weslaco. It's a name that is trusted in the Rio Grande Valley and for a reason. And today we're here with Maria, who is the program director here for the medical assistant program. Now Maria, I got to see a little bit of what's going on here. It is absolutely amazing, the equipment that you guys have. Now tell me something, you know, in 12 months somebody's life can change. How can that happen?
Most definitely. So here at South Texas Votech and Weslaco, we offer the hybrid medical clinical assisting program. It is a 12-month program where the students do hybrid, which is partial on ground, as you saw today, and we have partial online.
Now, something that is super unique is at the end of these 12 months, or closer to the end of the 12 months, is that people can go out in the real world and get real hands-on experience.
Yes, so 10 weeks before the program ends, we send the students out to something that we call externship. We fit them to a site where they're going to get their hands-on experience. We have various community members that we work with all across the valley, where students can go from pediatrics to neurology, cardiology. Yes, so they get to work with real life patients and make a difference and share the hands-on experience that they got here within the 12-month program.
Now, I want to talk about the things that you offer, because we're talking about blood work. We're talking about a bunch of different things. Tell me a little bit about that.
Okay, so the students start off with a couple of prerequisites, your general courses, and then we start off with clinical classes. So they get everything that a medical assistant needs, from starting with blood pressure, pulse, respirations, the basics, to their medical terminology. They do everything that a real office does.
CPR?
We certify them in CPR, which is good for 2 years. When they graduate, they go out with their registered medical assisting certification.
That's amazing, and that's something that is very unique. Now, I want to talk about some licensing, because that's something that you also give the students when they leave these doors.
Yes, so we do prepare them throughout the 12-month program to get certified at the end of their program. So we do online classes, we train them, we prepare them, we do offer tutoring, and the same classes that we offer in the morning, we also offer at night. So morning or night, we're here for you. And they do graduate with their medical clinical assisting registration. And some of our students are getting hired within 2-3 weeks of their externship. So they're starting their career while they're still in school.
That is pretty awesome. Now, if there's somebody that is watching this currently that wants to come and take this course, you know, how can they apply? How can they get in?
Okay, so we do take students every 5 weeks. You can go to STVT online. You can register there, or you can stop by. You can give us a call. Admissions is always available. We're doing walkthroughs at all times, and you can just swing by. Just do a walkthrough if you're interested, and hopefully for the medical program.
Maria, thank you so much for sharing that. And if you guys are looking to change your life in 12 months, South Texas Votech here in the city of Weslaco is the place to do it. So if you're looking to apply, go ahead and visit them on their website and to learn more. For Take 5, I'm Joe DeLeon.